In this video, you'll be learning about conference calls on the GRP2615. During a call, press the conference call soft key. Then, dial the extension or number that you want to add to the call, or press their BLF. Once the person has answered, go ahead and press the conference call soft key. You are now in a conference call. If you want to cancel adding someone to a conference call, simply press End Call. Then press the Resume soft key or the Hold button to join the call again with the original caller. During a conference call, you also have the option to kick someone from the conference call. Pressing the Kick soft key, we can then use the left and right navigation arrows to pick someone who we want to kick from the call. Then, pressing the soft key for Submit, the person is now kicked from the call. And that is conference calling on the GRP2615.